Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today we continue the summer theme. We've been featuring hot dogs and hamburgers and other things, but everyone likes the good old American tomato sandwich with cheese. So today it's just a basic recipe. We've all made these before, but it's good to make it to look back on it. It's a tradition, and it tastes really good, especially for summer. So for this, we have the buns, we have the tomatoes, and especially this time of year, you could get these huge tomatoes grown in the fields. Tomatoes look awesome. Onion, great onion, mayo, sea salt, black pepper, and cheddar cheese. But like I said, it's your cook. Use whatever cheese, use whatever mayo you want. If you don't want to use sea salt, use something else. But can't go wrong with tomatoes. But these buns that I'm using today are these European hamburger rolls. They make great sandwiches. They're like so soft. So this one's easy, not a lot to it, but it's great to enjoy a tomato sandwich. Yeah, I love mayo, so I put mayo on both sides. But like I said, when you make your own, it's your choice, your cook. But I am a lover of mayo. Can't go wrong. If you want, just throw pepper down there, but that's up to you. Alright, so I put down a layer of cheddar cheese. You don't have to do that. You can do it whatever way you want. Alright, so one layer of tomato. And it's up to you. You can put a couple layers, or you could put onion and cheese. You could layer this like a burger if you want. Alright, so I got 2 layers of tomatoes on there. Yummy. Put some mayonnaise on there. Gonna add some pepper next. Alright, so we got the layer of onion. Add as much onion as you want. I love a lot of tomato. But we're almost there. But you can make your tomato sandwich any way you like. That makes us all diverse, and everyone has different tastes. Alright, so I topped that off with mayo on the top and pepper. So thanks for being with me today. Just a typical tomato and cheese and onion sandwich. It's not always the most pretty thing, but it's the most tasty thing. So thanks for being with me. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe next week. God bless. Dansoy, amateur cook, out. Peace.